What do you call a hat that leaves the top of the head uncovered? Beanie, visor, fedora, beret. The correct answer is visor. What's the rarest color found in a pack of M&M? Brown, blue, yellow, orange. The correct answer is brown. Which European country is famous for producing Edam cheese? Switzerland, Denmark, Netherlands, France. The correct answer is Netherlands. Who provided the voice for Donkey in the Shrek movies? Chris Rock, Eddie Murphy, Kevin Hart, Will Smith. The correct answer is Eddie Murphy. What is the world's smallest mammal by body length? Pygmy shrew, bumblebee bat, Etruscan shrew, sugar glider. The correct answer is bumblebee bat. Who created the first version of the periodic table of elements? Albert Einstein, Dmitri Mendeleev, Isaac Newton, Marie Curie. The correct answer is Dmitri Mendeleev. Besides elephants and rhinoceroses, which other large animal was historically classified as a pachyderm? Hippopotamus, buffalo, camel, giraffe. The correct answer is hippopotamus. What highly poisonous substance used in mining to extract gold and silver is also found in small amounts in apple seeds? Arsenic, cyanide, mercury, lead. The correct answer is cyanide. What medical process replaces kidney function by removing waste, toxins, and excess fluid from the blood? Filtration, dialysis, infusion, transfusion. The correct answer is dialysis. If 12 items make a dozen, what do you call 13? Baker's dozen, lucky 13, bonus dozen, grand dozen. The correct answer is baker's dozen. Which condition affects a person's memory, communication, and thinking abilities? Asthma, dementia, epilepsy, insomnia. The correct answer is dementia. Who gave us the classic slow burn romance and social commentary in Pride and Prejudice? Jane Austen, Emily Bronte, Charlotte Bronte, Virginia Woolf. The correct answer is Jane Austen. Which mighty river gave birth to one of the world's oldest civilizations in Egypt? Nile, Amazon, Mississippi, Yangtze. The correct answer is Nile. Dating from 1545, which Italian city hosts the oldest academic botanical garden in its original location in Europe? Florence, Milan, Rome, Padua. The correct answer is Padua. What was Galileo's punishment for supporting the idea that the Earth orbits the Sun? Imprisonment for life, house arrest, public flogging, excommunication. The correct answer is house arrest.